If CapCut is giving you a green screen error, glitchy playback, or export issues, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. We're going to cover the main solution first, which is turning off hardware acceleration, and then I'll show you the correct Chroma Key workflow inside CapCut, so you can remove green backgrounds properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left corner and click Menu. From there, go into Settings, then find the Performance section. This is where CapCut uses options that can sometimes cause conflict with green screen effects, especially if your system or graphics driver is struggling to process the preview or export. Inside Performance, you'll see two important options. The first is Speed Up Hardware Encoding, and the second is Speed Up Hardware Decoding. Go ahead and uncheck both of these options. This is the most common fix for the internal conflict that causes green glitches in CapCut. After you uncheck them, click Save and then restart CapCut immediately. Do not skip the restart, because the changes won't fully apply until the program reloads. Once CapCut reopens, test your project again and see if the green screen error is gone. In a lot of cases, this alone fixes the issue. Now, if you were trying to remove a green background and the effect still wasn't working properly, let's go through the official Chroma Key workflow the right way. First, select your green screen clip on the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted so the editing options show up on the right side. Next, go to the visual editing controls are located. From there, click Remove BG, then choose Chroma Key. This tells CapCut that you want to remove a specific background color from your clip. Now click the color picker, which is the eyedropper icon, and then click directly on the green background in the preview window. Try to choose the brightest and most consistent part of the green screen for the cleanest result. After that, you'll see settings for strength and shadow. Start with strength around 15 to 25 and slowly adjust it until the green background disappears without damaging the subject. If edges still look rough or there's a green tint left behind, adjust shadow a little bit until the cutout looks cleaner and more natural. Take your time with these controls, because small changes can make a big difference in the final result. If the subject starts looking faded or parts of the person disappear, that usually means the strength is too high, so bring it down slightly. If the green background is still visible, raise it a little bit more. The goal is to balance both settings until your subject looks sharp and the background is fully removed. So, to quickly recap, if you're seeing a CapCut green screen error, first disable hardware acceleration by turning off hardware encoding and hardware decoding, then save and restart CapCut. After that, use the correct Chroma Key path through Remove BG and pick your green color with the eyedropper. Then fine-tune strength and shadow for the cleanest result. If this tutorial solved your problem, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut fixes and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.